In order to obtain hard money for your next purchase or investment, there are certain qualifications and criteria that you'll need to meet in order to be approved for the loan. One of these areas includes the appraisal amount of the home, the property in question. And this needs to be as accurate as possible. You definitely don't want to have inflated costs. You want to make sure that it is an accurate projection for the area. Keep in mind that hard money lender is going to be an investor in a sense as well, and they want to make sure that they are making a good investment, a good choice, and that you don't want to misrepresent this amount at all. Make sure that you are being as accurate and as honest as possible with that. Secondly, the higher the equity in the property, obviously the better. You can negotiate the deal down. The highest would be 70% after repair value. If you can get it even below 65% or around 50% of value, it can be done, and especially in this market, more equity that you build into that, less the repairs and any other costs associated with the closing and everything, the better for you. Third, it's better to have stable credit and stable liquid assets. And what I mean by stable is it doesn't have to be the best credit score, but you want to make sure that you have established a history, that you do have a decent score, that you do have liquid assets available to prove to the lenders that you will be good, make good on that payment, the loan that they will be giving to you. And lastly, a huge important factor is the neighborhood that you're buying in. I would strongly suggest before you even go getting a house to talk to the hard money lenders that you plan on working with to find out where they are willing to give and where they're not, so that you know exactly where you should purchase, so you don't get yourself into a contract situation or in an event that you make some type of guarantee, which I don't suggest anyways, but that you're stuck with the property in an area that you can't get the financing that you need. So make sure that this is an area that sells fast, especially for you as well. They want to make a good investment, but see what they think about the area, because typically they're only going to give monies in the area that you will be able to eventually turn that property around or rent it out or sell it or whatever, so that they know that they're going to make their money back. And you as well want to make sure that you're making a good profit on the deal for your investment. So make sure that the neighborhood is a place that you definitely want to be buying.